Hey guys, this is Anthony from E Talley Construction, where we make construction easy. Today, we're at one of our projects in the suburbs of Philadelphia. This is a Lower Merion section of the city. Actually, it's not even the city, it's outside of the city. And we're really excited to show you some of the work that we're doing in this project. This project here consists of mainly restoration work. This is an old 1900, early 1900 replica of an English Tudor. So we're just going to go inside and show you some of the restoration components that we'll be working on. Before we go in, we just kind of want to highlight the door. The door itself is like the entryway. It's like the heart of the property. And this door here, with a lot of detail, with the wrought iron, with the size of the door, the intricate detail here, we're just really enthused about how we're going to make this look at the end of the day. Okay, so we're inside the Lower Merion project. It's a little noisy, but that's par for the course for construction. But we just wanted to kind of take a quick look at some of the ornate details that we have inside of this property. Look at the staircase. Obviously, this stuff was already done. Old, early American craftsmanship. It'll stay the same. The rails will be sanded, painted. The colors will be colors that will accentuate the period. Another one of the historical features of this property is the pocket door. A lot of people today try to replicate pocket doors, but they can't stand up to this kind of pocket door. This is a pocket door that was built in the early 1900s, and it's just going to be impressive. By the time we finish with this door and it's sanded, painted, we already had to open the space up, cut the door out, it was painted shut. We're really anxious to show you what this is going to look like. Another interesting part of the house is that this used to be the actual end of the house, the property line. And at some point there was an addition done. This addition was done in the 70s, but as you can see, they left this window here, and I can see why, because it just shows a little bit more of the detail and of the period of the house. This is one of 5 bathrooms, and we just wanted to kind of show you just a little bit of the nuances of what it takes to do an historical restoration and some of the detail work that we at E Talley Construction do. If you can see the joints of the tile, we just finished mimicking a joint with a whole tile by cutting a false line in and sanding it down to make it look like it's a grout joint. Not many people will do that. So that's all part of the detail that you get when you work with E Talley Construction. Because of the restorative nature of this project and how we're trying to bring it back to its former glory, we had to use trim that would make that work well. Some of the baseboard trim that you can see, this is a 12-inch baseboard. Many people aren't doing 12-inch baseboard, but this was similar to this time. This house is a 6,000 square foot house. There's some dignitary lived here years ago. Also is the crown molding. The crown molding, we're working from old to new, just to trying to capture what it would look like at that time. After it's all said and done and painted, it's going to look magnificent. But we want to just try to give you a feel of some of the things that we're doing in the beginning stages of this project. We're going to be replacing, this mantel's upside down, where we're going to replace it with this mantel here. Sometimes we go to restoration hardware or things like that. There's places that sell old hardware and put them in homes, and it makes it look like it was always there. Another thing we're going to show you that we're working at as well is we're working on the doors. All of the doors here, or a lot of the doors here, were doors that were original to this house or other homes in this period. And what we're doing is a total custom job. We had to redo all the door frames. We had to cut out the openings so that we can make them fixed. We had to buy trim that looks as though it is along with the period of the property. Once again, E Talley Construction signing off on our Lower Merion project, our restoration project. Like, subscribe, comment. We love to hear what you have to say. Like, subscribe, comment. We love it when we get more feedback and people tell us what we need to do, what we can do better. Anthony Talley, E Talley Construction, signing off.